This is Larry Bonrado from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. There are no mistakes, only lessons. We've all heard that before. Of course we make mistakes. If I teach a process incorrectly, that mistake is a mistake of commission. If I miss a deadline, that's a mistake of omission. So why say there are no mistakes? Because the truth isn't in denying the mistake, it's in how we view it. When you see a mistake as a learning opportunity, you transformed it into a lesson, and lessons lead to growth. Let's explore 4 real-life examples. Example number 1, missed instructions. You asked your daughter to clean the bathroom, but you never showed her how or what a clean bathroom actually looks like. Your mistake becomes a chance to teach and guide, not to criticize. Example number 2, clear instructions, but no action. This time you did explain everything clearly, but she still didn't clean. Now the lesson is hers. A mistake with consequences teaches responsibility and follow-through. Example number 3, incomplete onboarding. A new hire sends out a client report with outdated data. You are frustrated, but it turns out your onboarding never covered your data standards. That mistake, a moment to strengthen your process and mentor your new teammate. And example number 4, customer complaint. The customer leaves a negative review. You could ignore it, or you can trace the problem, fix the weak spot, and turn feedback into a win. Mistakes made, lessons learned, and system improved. Mistakes happen. What matters is how we respond. Do we cover them up, or do we convert them into better decisions, stronger habits, and wiser leadership? And now for today's Morning Minute Challenge. First, write down a lesson you've learned from a recent mistake. Second, reflect on how you turned someone else's mistake into a teachable moment. And third, choose one way you can reframe mistakes or teachable moments in your home, your team, or your business. There are no mistakes, only lessons. And that is today's Morning Minute.